In 1936, against all odds, the University of Washington rowing team set out on an epic journey to the Olympics in Berlin. Despite facing fierce competition, they trained relentlessly, driven by a shared dream of victory. Their bond grew stronger as they faced challenges together, embodying strength and determination. Finally, on the day of the race, with the world watching, they pushed themselves to the limit, rowing with all their heart and soul. Against formidable opponents, they surged ahead, crossing the finish line to claim the Olympic gold. Their triumph was not just a victory for themselves, but a testament to the power of teamwork and perseverance.